Hello everybody, how you doing today? Welcome to another Mix Tips with Mage. Today's video I want to show you how to use compressors on vocals, on how to balance vocals because vocals are very dynamic and sometimes when you record you are not consistent in singing. So compressors help you balance your vocals and the dynamics of your vocals. I want to explain two compressors I'll be using today. One is an FET compressor, or we call it the FET compressors, and the other is called an opto-compressor or the optical compressors. These two compressors have different texture and different ways they work on vocals and any instrument we are using them on. The FET compressors, that is the black one you see over here. This is the popular 1176 compressor. It emulates a tube sound using circuits, which means the real analog of this compressor, the real device of this compressor rather, has tubes in them. They are very fast and bright. Immediately you put them on any sound source, you can hear their reaction and the color they actually give to a particular sound. They add punch as well to a sound. And I personally use them as tone box when I mix instruments. I just turn off the compressor and I use it as a tone box. But that's not what we're doing today. We're using this as a compressor to see how we can balance a vocal out. Let me go into this vocal before I show you how this compressor works. This is what we're working on today.
I got the love, the love for you. Baby, don't go, cause you know I got you. Yeah, I got the the love for you. Baby, don't go, cause you know I got you. Yeah.
The peak level here, if you notice there's a lot of inconsistency on the vocals. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to use this compressor to balance your vocals. So everything is reset to factory. Immediately you bring in this compressor, this is the settings you get for it. I like to give a 4:1 ratio because it's a very fast compressor. And the way it actually works is opposite from every other regular compressor, especially the 1176. Coming anti-clockwise, you're on a slow attack, and going clockwise, you're on a fast attack rather. Coming anti-clockwise, you are on a slow attack, and going clockwise, you're on a fast attack. The same thing applies to the release as well. So when you use this compressor, you need to be careful and put that in mind as well. And you should know it's a very fast attack, a very fast compressor, which you can also do some research to check about it and read more about how many milliseconds of attack it actually gives to a sound source. So I'm turning it on now without any tweak.
I got the the love for you. Baby, don't go, cause you know I got you. Yeah, I got the the love for you. Baby, don't go, cause you know I got you. Yeah,
Already you can hear how the attack is very strong, already bringing the dynamics together. What I do is I bring the attack to slow and the release to a fast release. So that way I'm not having too much of the transient or the dynamics being squashed. There's still room for the vocals to express itself. What I'm just using this to do is control the dynamics, not to squash the dynamics too much.
I got the the love for you. Baby, don't go, cause you know I got you. Yeah, I got the love, the love for you. Baby, don't go, cause you know I got you. Yeah,
You can hear how consistent the vocal is. This is without the compressor.
I got the love, the love for you. Baby, don't go, cause you know I got you.
This is with the compressor.
I got the the love for you. Baby, don't go, cause you know I got you. Yeah,
You can see how every dynamics in the vocal is being set even. The low parts are out and the high parts are being matched as well with the low parts. So I'll go to the opto-compressor. This is the popular LA2A tube compressor. This as well is an optical compressor. It is very dynamic. It works more for vocals as well. The LA2A. It's very good. And as well, I like to set it on the limiter, not the compressor. What this does for me is to balance it out and put everything leveled out for me. For what I use this to do is actually balance my peaks. I don't use it to over compress. I just get at least 1 dB of compression to just balance it out. So I leave it on the limiter mode.
I got the the love for you. Baby, don't go. I got the the love for you. Baby, don't go, cause you know I got you. Yeah, I got the the love for you. Baby, don't go, cause you know I got you. Yeah,
So this is without it.
I got the the love for you. Baby, don't go, cause you know I got you.
And this is with the compressor, the LE2A on.
I got the the love for you. Baby, don't go, cause you know I got you. Yeah,
Already, you hear how the peaks are leveled out already. Everything is been leveled out. On this compressor, the attack and the release are fixed. So all you just need to dial in is the peak reduction to see how much compression you are giving it to level out your peaks. So you can try this on your vocals, and this is a very quick way on compressing your vocals because I know how compressors can be very difficult to use. Alright, thanks guys for watching.